this one on the phone? I saw a handheld phone. Let's go back. No. Carry on. Carry on. Carry on. Carry on, mate. Well, I'm not going in front of you. Just go. 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 Hello, mate. Just go. Yeah, he needs to move. I'm not stopping him. No, I'm not going in front of you. I don't trust you. Just carry on. You alright, mate? You should have kept going. He's the one that stopped, mate. You can't stop me. Shame on you, with all that swearing. Stay away from me.
Asking you what I was doing for you to get the film.
You were using your phone behind the wheel. Yeah, you hid it away very quickly when you saw.
Mum's life, I was checking my...
You can argue with the police. I suggest you get in your car and go. Now you got 14 days to wait to see if they decide to prosecute you or not. Horrible piece of work. No one knows why you get angry like that.